Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a How to Kill a Kit with Style kit share. So for the month of July, we made new kits. If you guys didn't catch last month's, a bunch of scrappy YouTubers are putting together kits all summer long to inspire you guys to use your stash. And I'm digging really deep into my stash today. But if you want to check out everyone else's kits, I'll have everyone linked down below so you guys can watch all of them and subscribe for all the inspiration. Today I based my kit off of this giant box. Now if you guys ever watched HSN way back in the day, Three Birds was a big brand. I don't know if it still is or if it's still around, but I bought this scrapbooking box for my birthday one year and it's insane. So I did add a lot to it, but I never used the kit really a lot, so we still have a lot of the original. So let's dive in to what's in here. I think I'm going to move all of the new items and go over those after. So I did add a lot of items to, add some fun things. So let me take out the items that came in the kit. I even added a whole paper pad, so this is what you originally got in the kit, was these glitter felt shapes in white, pink, and blue, which, I don't know if I'll ever be able to use those. It looks like I used one, but they're glittery in case you can't tell. You got a little box of goodies, which they're called Goodie Box of Shapes, and it came in this organizer, which is really fun. And what's really interesting about this kit is that there are 8 different themes. So you have bold, fresh, elegant, sweet, bright, pastel, earth, and tropical. And in each of these, they have coordinating embellishments that coordinate with the rest of the items. So you have brads, chipboard pieces, glitter pieces in each one. So they're all different color schemes, all different styles. I'm not going to go through this individually because that's too much work for me. Then I also have some bits that fell out here from this, and this is, everything's upside down. 8 sheets of sticky, sparkly chipboard shapes, and again, you can see the tabs here because that's how they're organized by collection. So this is the bright, the pastels, the earth, which is probably my favorite, tropical, which is super fun, bold, fresh, elegant, and sweet. So you have all of those, so lots of chipboard, and then these are all the ones that fell out of there. Just keep them to the side. And then we have the big 12 by 12 pad, which I couldn't even get out. And also that's just in there for storage because I didn't want it to get ruined. Okay, so here's our paper pad, and again they have the tabs here. So that's not going to fit, so I'm gonna have to do it sideways. That's okay. So every tab has a 12 by 12 sticker sheet which coordinates, and then we have the color scheme. So essentially I have a bunch of mini kits here. Everything coordinates within its own realm. So I thought this would be really fun to use because I know a lot of people get paper packs and stuff like this, or have a lot of mini kits, and it's okay to put them all together like they did here, just so you have those options. And of course you can mix and match. And of course I'm missing some papers because I used some of them back in the day. I might even have videos of this somewhere. Here's a scrap paper I included from my mind's eye, just the same color scheme. I know I've used this one before. And I also include cardstock. It's not super cardstock, but like pattern paper. Tropical, you have this fun fish background. These would be fun to fussy cut. So we'll see where I land with this kit. We each make our kits in different ways. Some of us use old kits we had left over. Some of us use paper pads to build kits, all sorts of stuff. Okay, these are falling apart on me. That's okay. And then we have blue and purple cardstock. And then the fresh, which is really fun. They got these cute owls. So it definitely gives me a wide range of options and a wide range of color schemes that I can work with, which is really convenient because you guys know I don't like to scrap the same thing a lot at once, usually. Depends. You have the elegant. Also, this feels like it's going to be a really long video, so I hope you guys have a snack. And then the stripe, which is convenient. Cardstocks. And then sweet. I'm trying to remember how much this used to cost back in the day, but I have no idea. I did get it for a birthday gift, but I begged my parents to buy it for me. And here it is, still not used, so they should not have purchased it. And then you even get some alphabets, which all of the A's have been nearly destroyed on this page. So you get coordinating alphabets for each collection as well, which I've never used these, but I have destroyed all of the letter A's. So that's great. Don't know why there's cardboard in here, but I'm going to keep it in here in case it was in there for a reason. But that's what I based my kit off of. So I do have the additional items here and the additional paper pad. And of course, as you guys saw with my last kit, I did just pull stuff in when I thought it was necessary. So we'll see how it goes. This is the paper pad I pulled in called Conservatory from Craftsmith. And I don't know if I shared this in a haul video either, but this is brand new to me. It's absolutely beautiful. I could probably just use this in combination with a couple of the embellishments. But I really wanted to include some new stuff because I know that will motivate me as well as using some of the old stuff because I love smashing my stash. So we'll see how this goes. It even includes an alphabet, which I thought was cute. And yeah. So my idea is I might be able to do some Disney stuff. I might be able to do some old school photos because there's that Bright collection. But I hope to cover a lot of topics and give you guys lots of inspiration for different things with this kit. And of course in August we will have our new kits as well. So we'll see how far I get with this kit in July. There's a lot going on in July, but we'll see how it goes. I included all of my new Bella Boulevard puppy stickers. I did include these two in my last kit, but I didn't use them. So I'm really mad that I bought these and thinking that I would use them all, but I haven't used any of them yet. And I thought these stars really played well with the Bright collection here. I'll give you a little, there's a lot of stars in this collection, so I thought that'd be great. I grabbed these super old tags, which are from Color Box. They're little pop-outs. But I thought these were versatile, and you guys know I like to use tags, so we'll see. These are some DCWV cork word stickers called Stateside, and I thought I could use this for some travel pages. So there's the words that are in there: adventure, journey, world, travel. There's some stars and hearts. Perfect. This chipboard set, which is from American Crafts. I love this sunshine, and I haven't used this yet, and I did get this for my birthday last year, so I should probably start using it. This is pretty new to my stash. This is the Project Life confetti stickers. Very bright and bold, but I thought this green coordinated with the green collection as well, and the colorful ones coordinated with the Bright collection well, so we'll see how that goes. These are some Fancy Pants burlap and bouquet stickers. I've always tried to use these and never could, so I want to just throw these in the stash. I thought some of these bright blues and pinks would coordinate well. The green, blue, and yellow color schemes used twice in this kit with the earth and then the bold or the fresh collection, so hopefully that'll work out for some of those. Some butterflies, because white butterfly will go with everything, and then these blues are used in both the elegant, the sweet, and the pastels, so we'll see. These are some old crate paper stickers. I just thought these blues and yellows and then the pink will tie in with the sweet collections. We'll see. These are old as well. So they're from Big Lots. That's old. Yeah. Some star stickers from Pretty Little Studio. A Beautiful Mess stickers. I bought these at Studio Calico. Teresa Collins chipboard pieces from the 9 & Co collection. Again, tying in with the sweet pastels. Thought this would go well. Wood veneers from Momenta. These are from Hobby Lobby. Burlap butterflies, because I just love butterflies, and they also coordinate with the paper pad, which was full of butterflies. And then some more Momenta wood veneer stickers. These are called, I don't think they have a name, but they're really cute. Again, I bought these at Hobby Lobby. And I also included a new 6x6 paper pad, which I got off of Amazon, which I should have included in my haul video. And also check out my haul video for a giveaway that I'm hosting. They should both go up today, but if not, it'll be up on my channel soon. So this is a little color box paper pad, and they're pretty thin papers, but the color scheme was so wide in this, I thought it was too perfect not to include. You have a lot of polka dot options, some teardrop options. This one goes great with that blue, green, and yellow color scheme. And it's just overall great. I think this was like $2 off of Amazon when I bought it. So you got all the colors, the yellows, the greens, the blues, the pinks, the oranges, the reds. Every color's in here. So we'll see how that goes. But that is my kit. If you guys have questions about this, or if you guys have ever seen the Extravaganza thing on HSN, please let me know. I think it's so funny that I'm trying to use this now. But we'll see how it goes. But I hope you guys enjoyed the kit share. Make sure to subscribe to me and all the other ladies linked down below so you guys can check out our layouts throughout the month. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.